I get the point on it's Sarah, the bonus for coming back to work. But wouldn't you have to pair that with an additional bump up in the unemployment benefits? Maybe it's not the 600 that you're doing now, but you've still got 20 million Americans collecting unemployment benefits. That could be a pretty big income shock and a consumption shock if you do take away that full bonus.
Well, look, a lot of the incomes come from the government as part of the rescue package, which I think was a successful rescue package led by President Trump with bipartisan support, a good thing. At some point, though, again, we've had so many reports and there have been so many stories that the $600 plus up, it's not that we want to punish anybody, but incentives work. So if you're incentivized because you're going to make more money staying at home, that is not what we want. On the other hand, we would like to help give a push. That doesn't mean the unemployment benefits from the state go away. But if you get a job, if you're out looking and you get a job, we probably would provide some reemployment insurance or reemployment bonus. And don't forget, the payroll tax holiday itself gives you, 6.25%, 6.5% bonus. So these would be very good things. Now, we'll assess, as we have been in recent weeks, the state of the economy and the pandemic. But right now, I think the bulk of the evidence says we are still on track for a very significant upward move. And it's a V-shaped recovery. I don't know. Home builders report was smashing. Retail sales, the job story, weekly unemployment claims, continuing claims have come down quite a bit. The Apple Mobility Index, new business applications, all this is pointing to a V-shaped recovery. But I'll acknowledge there's uncertainty out there. I get that. And we are always assessing and reassessing and looking at the data.